Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at is solar thermal heating and biomass heating systems. Okay. Now again, I'm not going to talk a lot through this because it's quite self-explanatory and it provides you with a lot of information. Again, keep an idea and reference to the IEE regs and any updates for this information that might be necessary. Okay. Thank you. Now again, remember, you can pause the videos for yourself so you can look and examine the information in detail and extract what you think you will need. Okay? Okay, I hope you find this useful and informative. Have a good day. Bye-bye.